Okay, so dollar CAD here, trying to scalp a few pips off this. We've got one on for 20 points and trying to get 5 out of this. Already taken 5, but hopefully we can take another 5. So it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, New York time, almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon in London, 11 o'clock in Singapore at night. Right now I'm becoming more happy here because there's a spike on this 15-minute candle. So a sign of weakness there. Which is encouraging because you can see that we had a plummeted down there very nicely. That's where we shorted for 5 points within a very short space of time. And then it recovered, and now I want a nice spike on this 15-minute to show weakness in the market, and that it will come back down to our target. So we just have to wait and see what happens. As you can see by these numbers here, they're all red, so we're on the wrong side of the position. The good news is a spike is developing. This is a spike here, showing weakness. And there's no time limit on this. Okay, so up to about 2 minutes or so on this. Sure, you don't really want to see my face on screen, but you're more interested in the desktop and my commentary, and hopefully you can learn a few things by the commentary. This is my, yeah, that's my Schwab's account. Let's just check. I don't know why the camera angle changes on this. This is one I might buy March 29th calls on. In fact, that is my real account, so that's changed from there. This is where you can see prices of stocks for free. There is a delay on it, so that's why it's free. I'm currently in, I've got puts on Xerox, which, oh, this is nice. I've been waiting for a while for this, actually, because I was in more than a week ago on these puts, and Xerox has been very, very stable up there. And okay, I'm going to cut this short because my limit's about 4 minutes, and update you in another video. Okay, wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're fitting well, be good to each other, and I hope this video assisted. Take care.